Most people think AI jobs require a PhD or 10 years of experience. That's not true. Right now, companies are hiring people with practical AI skills and paying six-figure salaries. But here's the catch. Only a small percentage of applicants actually understand which AI roles are realistic and which ones are just hype. In the next few minutes, I'll break down 7 high-paying AI jobs and show you which ones can actually get you hired, even if you're not a machine learning expert. Let's simplify this. Artificial intelligence is changing the job market faster than most people expected. Some people are worried. Others are positioning themselves early. If you want to be in that second group, this is for you. In this lesson, we'll break down 7 high-paying AI careers you can pursue in 2026, arranged from the most accessible to the most technical. Let's begin. First, prompt designer. This is one of the fastest entry points into AI right now. Prompt designers specialize in structuring instructions, so AI systems generate consistent, reliable, high-quality outputs. They experiment, they refine, they optimize. You don't need deep coding knowledge to begin, but you do need logical thinking, clear communication, and an understanding of how AI responds. Here's the important part. Even as AI improves, prompt design as a skill is becoming foundational across many roles. Second, AI content moderator. As AI systems generate more content, human oversight is still necessary. Content moderators review outputs. They flag harmful material. They protect standards. This role requires attention to detail, emotional resilience, and strong judgment. It may not be the highest-paying role on this list, but it is stable, and it is increasingly important. Third, AI support specialist. AI systems are powerful, but they are not perfect. When they make mistakes, someone has to step in. AI support specialists monitor performance, troubleshoot issues, and improve accuracy. You don't need to be a programmer. You need patience. Structured thinking. Problem-solving ability. As more companies integrate AI into daily operations, this role continues to expand. Fourth, AI sales specialist. Here's something many people overlook. Companies want AI tools, but they don't always understand how to use them. AI sales specialists bridge that gap. They explain solutions clearly. They demonstrate value. They help businesses move from confusion to confidence. You don't need to code. You need strong communication, confidence, and a clear understanding of what AI can and cannot do. For the right personality, this can be extremely lucrative. Fifth, AI automation specialist. This is where practicality meets impact. AI automation specialists integrate AI into real business workflows. They connect APIs, design automated systems, eliminate repetitive tasks. It requires technical awareness, but not deep machine learning research. Companies value people who create efficiency, and efficiency saves money. Sixth, AI product manager. AI product managers sit at the intersection of technology and business. They coordinate strategy. They align teams. They make sure AI features solve real problems. This role requires leadership, organization, and strategic clarity. It's less about writing code and more about making decisions that drive measurable results. If you already have management experience, this could be your entry point into AI. Finally, AI engineer. This is the most technical role on the list. AI engineers design, build, and maintain machine learning systems. They work with programming languages like Python, machine learning frameworks, and large-scale data systems. It requires serious technical foundations, but it is also one of the highest-paying and most future-resistant careers available. Now, step back for a moment. There isn't just one way into AI. You can start with communication. You can start with oversight. You can start with automation. And over time, deepen your technical skills. The opportunity is real. The salaries are real. But preparation determines who benefits. You don't necessarily need a traditional degree. You need practical skills, demonstrated ability, and continuous learning. Those who position themselves early gain momentum. This is Lean Learning Lane, where we focus on practical education, one clear lesson at a time. If this breakdown helped you, continue your AI learning journey with us. And in the next lesson, we'll discuss which AI certifications actually improve your chances of getting hired. See you there.